Hi there. Okay, so today we are going to cover profiles and favorites. Okay, so you'll start off when you install, you'll start off with a reloaded profile. And let's just choose that profile. Okay, so this is your default profile. It will have basic settings on all your features. And let's say we want to add a profile for a client, a specific client, or for a specific type of editing job. Maybe it's externals or internals or flash ambient. So what we'll do is we'll add our we'll add you can add to the favorites to the normal profile, or what you can do is make a copy of this profile. So whichever profile you selected on, when you click this button here, it will create a new profile based on the one that you have selected. So it kind of makes a copy. So let me copy that profile and let me give it a name. Let's call it new profile 1, and then just save. Okay, so now I have a new profile, and now I want to add some favorites to this profile. So let's check on our settings. So let's say we want to use channel for this profile, and when we do sky swaps, we'll use channel, and then we'll add this feature to our new favorites from this profile, and we'll click on this pin icon here, and then we click onto the feature that we want to add. So click on that, it added. Click on this one, added that as well. And now we need to get out of our adding favorites. Just click on the pin again, and there we go. Now we can close. Check out our favorites. Now we have 2 new favorites. What you can also do is on the setting here of the auto quick swap, you can maybe set it to apply to all. So what will happen is when you click the auto quick swap now, let's just click the X to save. Okay, we saved that, and now you'll see that it's highlighted blue. That means that it's going to apply to all the images that's in Photoshop. So if I click this, it's going to do a sky swap on all the images. I just have one in there. Let's close that, and if we go to our favorites now, it's highlighted there as well, just to indicate that it's gonna apply to all images. What else is there? We can add another few features. Let's do grass. So let's click the pin, click on the feature, and it's added to the favorites. Click on the pin again to exit, and then close that window. And that's basically how you can add your favorites, and that's how you can create your own profiles. So yeah, let's make another profile where it has a different setting. Create new profile 2, and then save. And now we will have the same favorites there and the same settings, but let's change it for profile 2. Let's change this to not apply to all, and we'll use AI for this one. And now close and save. Close that, and we'll also remove the grass from here. So now it's not highlighted anymore. Close and save. So now when I chop and change between the 2 profiles, it will be different in settings and in the favorites. So this one still has the batch highlight on, and it still has the grass. But this one, doesn't have the auto quick swap highlighted, and it doesn't have the grass. So depending what you're gonna do, you can have profiles for external, internal, flash ambient, and yeah, then you can just change quickly between your workflow. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Till next time, bye bye.